So today's video is going to be the products that I have been using this month, a little bit before this month, but they are getting me ready for summer break 2018. So I've been trying out a few new beauty, fashion, lifestyle products and things for a while now, and I'm ready to share my collection with you guys. A few months ago, I did products I use to live my best life, and this is kind of a similar video, but we're gonna focus it on products to live my best summer life. So I hope you guys are excited, and let's go ahead and get started. The first product is what's inside these adorable little pink bottles, and it is Bloom Hair. So they did reach out to me to try out their products. I tested them out for about a month or so, almost a month. I started off just saying, you know, yes, I'd love to try the formula because it's in a cute little bottle. Their before and after pictures looked awesome, and I was like, could this really be? Okay, I'll try it. I just cut my hair in March, April, and I was like, well, darn, like I needed to cut it so it would be healthy. But I miss my long hair and I want it to be longer for prom and I want it to be really long for summer. I love long hair in the summer. And so I was like, you know, why not? I'll just try it out. Guys, my hair feels significantly stronger and I have definitely seen growth. Here is a clip of me in a video from when I recently got my hair cut. And then here it is now. It's a good amount longer for just almost using one whole bottle. I haven't even used up one whole bottle yet. You're supposed to take 2 every day, and one bottle will last you about a month. And I can already see a difference in the length. This is my hair unstyled. This is my hair completely natural. I washed it this morning and I let it air dry throughout the day, and then I just brushed it before this video. So these are healthy hair formula capsules with extract of coconut, nettle, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. You can see their ingredients list online. There's a lot of vitamins like B3, B6, B12, zinc, calcium, green tea extract, all of these really cool ingredients that I actually, you know, I'm good with putting in my body. And you just take 2 capsules a day in the morning. I take it after my coffee and it makes me feel good, like I'm doing something to help the heat that's about to be put on my hair during the summer months laying out by the pool. Their motto is be happy with perfect hair, so I think it's super cute. Link in the description box to get your first order. It's a great investment for some perfect, strong, beautiful hair. In my last favorites type of video, I talked about some primally pure products, and I got some more and they do not disappoint. I wanted to try one of their best-selling products, which is their deodorant, and I have tried multiple natural deodorants in the past, probably like 3 or 4, and none of them have worked. Natural deodorants usually help with the scent, but they usually don't help sweat-wise. Guys, this is the first all-natural deodorant, organic deodorant, fair trade deodorant that actually has worked for me, and it's worked for a lot of people in my family too. But guys, there are so many bad chemicals that are put into deodorants, and when you put those chemicals under your arms, the chemicals go into your skin and into your bloodstream, and I know it's just so bad. There's research done on it, and so if you can buy natural deodorants, it's the way to go. A lot of people rave about them, and this is actually one that I have found works for me, and I'm so excited that I found this, and I want to try out their other scents. Yeah, it smells like a flower. It smells amazing. It's adorable. I love it. Highly recommend. Okay, a really all-natural product that you need this in your bathroom and in your kitchen this summer. I recommend 2 different bottles. It is just organic virgin coconut oil. I use this in the bath, after shaving, at the ends of my hair, on my eyelashes, on my skin. It's good for so much. I also add it in a separate bottle. I use a separate bottle, and if you've seen my morning routine, I actually add a little bit into my coffee because it's healthy fats. Some people say, I know some people say that it depends on your body type if that kind of works for you. Some people it's bad for you to ingest. For me, I've seen it only keep me full, and I haven't really noticed any other things, so I enjoy it. It gives coffee a nice little coconut smooth taste and texture, but you can also use it where you would put any other oils like olive oil for sauteing or cooking. So yeah, just get this. Try it out. There's so many ways you can use coconut oil this summer, let me tell you. Okay, now let's get into some fashion. I have been so into buying some new clothing pieces lately because, guys, after this summer, like after a few weeks, I no longer have to wear a school uniform, and I can wear whatever the heck I want in college, and I can dress cute all summer too. So I've just been obsessed with buying new clothes. Hauls will be coming soon. So first, let me start with these sunglasses. I got these sunglasses back in March actually, but I love them. I just think they look so bad and bougie. They're from Key, Australia. They're just the big, like black matte rimmed sunglasses. bandanas. We've seen them, we love them. Madewell has the best ones, and also I love this color yellow. Perfect to put like this around your hair, tie it up in a bun when it's down, keep it out of your face, put it around your neck. So cute, so many ways. If you guys have seen my Instagram story outfits, you'll see I love the tied look. I recently got this shirt from Forever 21. I'll put the link below. And it has a little tie, it's cropped, but with long sleeves. I just think that look is so, so, so cute. I love it. Okay guys, we know we need a cute beach bag for summer. So I got mine actually around Easter. It says hello and it's red on the inside. It's from a local boutique, so I don't know if you can find this exact one online, but you know, Aerie has really cute ones like this, and just you need a cute and durable beach bag this year. So a food favorite is the Starbucks cold brew that you can buy at a grocery store. Whenever I'm in a gas station and I need a coffee, instead of opting for like super sugary Dunkin' Donuts like fraps, what I do is I buy this Starbucks cold brew coffee, and it still has some sugar and calories, but it's not as much as like the frappuccinos, and it's delicious. And you can buy just the black cold brew coffee from Starbucks now in your grocery store. Add some Silk almond milk creamer. Perfect summer iced coffee, guys. Yes, I got you. Okay, the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is a podcast that's not a business podcast. So if you're not into the whole business boss girl thing, that's totally cool. It is a health podcast that I have been obsessed with. It is called The Health Code. It's on Spotify and iTunes. It is by Sarah's Day, but she's a big YouTuber, a big health and fitness YouTuber from Australia. It's a podcast with her and her boyfriend. It's so informative on all things health, relationship, career, life, but it's also hilarious. They're so cute together, and it's just them going back and forth. It's very raw, very unedited, but still amazing quality. So I've been listening to this when I need a good laugh. And if you guys are wondering about my podcast, I'm actually taking a break because I'm splitting my podcast into seasons. So season 2 will be coming mid-summer, so look out for that. Right now, I'm just getting everything ready for the season 2 launch. So there's 24 episodes up on SoundCloud and iTunes right now if you want to go give a listen. I'm not stopping completely, we're just doing seasons to help me out. Again, I'll have the link below to most of these products if I can find them. I'm so thankful for you guys, and I'm so excited for all this summer and next year is bringing. We're not gonna get sappy, but I just wanted to say I love you. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye, peace out.